Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to make a review for another office gadget. This is what I have here, the Uplift desk. Yeah, I decided to buy a stand-up desk because my back has been hurting sitting for super long hours. I like how they labeled what each of these screws are because there's so many different ones. It'll be really hard if you have to recognize them by yourself. So now the table is assembled, and the version I bought is the one with advanced title keypad. This is something new from the Uplift. This desk is the 60 by 30 inch. So it's the medium size. As you guys can see, it's the one in the middle. This is the Walnut Laminate top. This is the color how it will look like. And underneath, I have the white leg. This mouse, all the bamboo wood little tray, all came free with this table, and the same with this pad. You can go up and down by lifting and going down. So you don't have to look, you don't have to go like where's the button because it's just up and down. You can double lift it for it to go up to your standing setting and double tap to go down to your sitting typing. Like I said, you don't have to look at the keypad at all to do the up and down. There's a button on the side that is the manual setting. So when you find the height you like, you just click on it. And then show you the heart, and you click again, you just save it. And then when you hold on to it for a while, wait for that to load, then you see that it has a setting where you can set a notification telling you that if you want to have it to remind you to stand up in 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 120 minutes, 3 settings. This is the setting for max and minimum height. So when you are having the minimum height, when you have the minimum height or max height, so if there is something underneath the table, it won't hit it because it can only go to the minimum. There's a vibration setting, and go in, and then you can hear that. This is the one of the vibration setting, and there's another one. And there's a child lock, so you can actually stop your kids from going up and down the table if you don't want them to touch it. So I've been using this desk for a little while. Now I'm recording from the standing desk, and it has been doing what I bought it for. My back pain pretty much went away after 3 or 4 days. I think the standing up every 30 minutes really helps. Having a timer is really awesome. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Go watch other videos and give me comment and feedback, like and subscribe.